this video tutorial, we will see how to print right angle triangle pattern. We can see here in the first line we have 1 star, in the second line 2 star, in the third line 3, in the fourth line 4, and in the fifth line 5. Along with every star there is a single space character. We can see here number of stars are increasing line by line from 1 to 5. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. This is our triangle.py file. Declare and initialize a variable 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than 5, number of lines we need to draw this pattern, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. Print. We want to print single star space character in the first line. In the second line we want to print 2 star space character. In the third line 3 star space character. In the fourth line 4 star space character. In the fifth line 5 star space character. Let's write logic to execute this pattern. Star space character multiply by, here I value is 0, add 1 into that, so I plus 1, which is going to print 1 star space character. In the second iteration I value is 1 plus 1, which is going to give us 2. So this is how this pattern will print. Comment this code and run py_triangle.py file. This is our expected triangle pattern. In place of while loop we can use for loop. In place of star we can use any other character, and there are various other methods to execute this code. In the next video tutorial we will see how to print right angle triangle pattern.